Patrymau Iaith, diwrnod 8. Ynys Môn 2. Mynediad. Day 8 Language Patterns. Your second day on Ynys Môn uses units 23 to 27 of the Mynediad course. Here's a quick review of the main grammar points and patterns from the units. Rhif 1. A, ein, a. His, her, our, their. The plus nasal mutation e. De plus soft mutation d. A plus soft mutation or. A plus aspirate mutation he, plus an H before a vowel. Ein, ni, plus an H before a vowel. Eich, chi. Ei, nho, plus an H before a vowel. We now have the full pattern of possessions. Fy nghastell I. Dy gastell di. Ei gastell o. Ei chastell hi. Ein castell ni. Eich castell chi. Ei castell nhw. Fy arfwisg I. Dy arfwisg di. Ei arfwisg o. Ei harfwisg hi. Ein harfwisg ni. Eich arfwisg chi. Ei harfwisg nhw. Rhif 2. Pobl y cwm. The people of the valley. Remember that the definite article denotes a specific noun. Be ydy hanes y castell? When preceded by a vowel, the becomes r. Be ydy enw'r brenin? When followed by a vowel, the becomes Be ydy oed adeilad? In English, the role of the definite article the has a prominent role in most sentences. In Welsh, the definite article is utilised in a different way. Some sentences in English have the definite article and a preposition. However, in Welsh, there is no definite article needed at the beginning of a noun phrase. However, if there is a second definite article in the phrase, this does get included in the Welsh. Pris mynediad. The price of entry. Pris y mynediad. The price of the entry. In English, some phrases have a definite article at the beginning of them to denote definition. For example, the Welsh soldiers. In Welsh, this definite article is not needed. Milwyr Cymru. The Welsh soldiers.